Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, yes, you will remain backstage. I shall should rule, but quickly we need to recognize and invite a few people before they begin to go home. Ladies and gentlemen, if Barrister Bioyi Akiri is here, the TGMA barrister, please come. Immediately after him, I'm going to invite my sister, Toyi Kukoyi, to come pay a tribute, and then Sholako Sofwa, if you are here, pay your tribute, and then we can say, okay, let us take some more music.